I think we will continue with two presentations, one from me, from Riga Technical University, another from colleague. Also will come and I will very shortly show, because I have little problem with my health and not possible long time to speak at this moment. But I will show what I'm doing and what is my connection with remote sensing. Today we also celebrating 160 years for university. You also see a lot of the people inside, outside. And yes, we are oldest technical university in Baltic states. About me, I think 80% know me. I will not a lot to say what I'm doing, but maybe something don't know what I'm doing more, and I'm working in different fields, but all fields is connected with digital twins, and we can see digital twins from underground to space, and that's how data is come together. But also I'm working with some technologies connected to VR technologies or augmented reality. I think these technologies also will come in ESA and space, and it's come in ESA, but not in application to detect the land or marine, but in application of satellites. Also, I'm working some fields like the hobbies, but at this moment it's not come to hobby. Last slides I will present how to use satellite image in culture heritage field. That's something different from land detection. And that is very shortly about me. I'm also working in two universities. The base university is Riga Technical University, but we have one study program together with Vilnius Gediminas Technical University, and some people from this room also finishing this program also in Vilnius and Riga. That's yes, some small slides about Riga Technical University. We have 11 study direction and together more than 137 study programs. Study programs is changing every year, little more, little small. But I am come from civil engineering, from geomatic fields, but also in this building computer science and information technologies. Also, I doing some projects, and one project is connected with garden plant and multispectral cameras to detect the some damage of the flowers, and to see is it very nice flowers or not, and to search some application that's connected with Latvian University and Agriculture University. Yes, also this week you see a lot of and hear a lot of the lectures, and some people asking about Pythons or Jupyter or another, and that is connected also lifelong learning. Every time we must to see what we need more to learn, and in our university also a lot of the course come to mood type course. That's a similar like the ESA or another institutions, you can find a lot of the courses. Some courses is free, some courses will maybe lead to pain, but this lifelong learning is especially nowadays is very important. And that's the science part, yes, research platforms in university. We have 6 main platforms that's connected, and also you see this environment platforms where under this is also going this land climate change, and another is also in cities and development. But also is I'm little also under security or defense, working on transport. That's and 2021 university also in summer signed this agreement with ESA, and also this course is connected with this agreement, and we yes, Riga Technical University increase the development of the research, innovation and industry. Before lunch, you are see this from Poland, this colleague and also said about this industry, and that's we go inside, and we have projects before also this signature connected with some materials of the satellites to analyze some also application or another. If we looking from view from Riga Technical University or Latvia, and some users or scientific researchers in Latvia, last year Ministry of the Education and Science have this analyze of the situation in Latvia that is published and public in website also of ministry, and the aim is of this study is to analyze the situation in Latvia regarding the possibilities of using the data Earth observation program Copernicus, this and also global navigation satellite system Galileo. But ESA have a lot of the programs, but this analysis come only in these two parts: Copernicus, Earth observation program Copernicus, and the Galileo program. In this, I will not show all this report. You can see this report in website, and but 27 organizations is identified in this analysis who are users and also research companies or institutes, and also 3 education institutes. But from this year is 4 education institutes. It's come Riga Technical University, Latvia University, Ventspils University, and Life Science and Technologies universities. Also is going in this remote sensing part and use this data from observation. And yes, and the main goal, in this report is analyze a lot of the users and or fields, forestry, agriculture, or another and emergency management, or all. But the main some part of this results is what is study demonstrate is generally organization have a low level of the using data. That's normal because we need the high resolutions data for works in Latvia, but also this show we must to go in regional research parts in to see around of the Latvia, not only inside, and that's maybe is a goal for research institution to go deeply, to go more projects in ESA and working. And colleague also said in September will be this some parts from ESA for researching also. If we come back to Riga Technical University, we have a lot of the study works or final works and also some research works. The main goals is going to Galileo, a lot of the research to GNS systems and how to use this data, some algorithms, but also every year we have 2 or 4 final works to connect and reach Copernicus and Galileo, where students are studying some innovations or some problematical parts. Yes, and most of the works is connected by food or land detection, but also it's come to some, you'll see also the measurement of the sea surface and wave height using this Galileo, also not only like the Sentinel-1 or Sentinel-2. Also is connected with VLB techniques in geodesy, how to research this space or another one. And yes, if we come deeply in all departments, we have 3 study programs connected, bachelor and master study program, and also together with Vilnius, Gediminas, we have innovation solutions. There also you see some example how students are studying and publishing in web to use GIS systems, not only like the PDF or PowerPoint presentation, but put algorithms together and then move and analyze. That's I will not go deeply about this project, but that's also. And in all courses, we including everything what you see here in this week. Also including the basics, also including data analysis, Pythons, MATLAB softwares, SSNAP. We have very nice cooperation with Esri and also sometimes with hexagon groups from ERDAS imaging. And students are learning how to create these algorithms, principles, and also publishing the results, because that is important how we present. And no, sometimes I'm go deeply and there I put the one slide. On the first lecture I show this Tucker researching of the longer time researching about this part, because in this is coming 40,000 data in satellites, orbits of the satellite data inside, and if we short time analyze, we cannot see the climate change or everything, and that is also important to put together another data set, Copernicus data sets, because Sentinel-1 or Sentinel-2, Sentinel-3 or 5 is not only data from ESA or Copernicus. We have a lot of the data sets, what we don't discuss in this week, because that is another part. And this Copernicus including all. And in this year, this week, I'm discussing with some from you, with some people of this course, and we must know most of the things, mathematical, physics or orbits, space, biology, or meteorology, or another. That's not possible for one people. We must organize a team. Some people are very nice working with application. Some people with Python or datasets put very fast. Some for publication, but basically for students we give some parts of this all. But in research fields we looking for the teamwork, and then looking for the around, because we are open space people, so you can looking at everything university in Europe for research, and then is sometimes I use also this Copernicus database, Copernicus data stores, and this is very, you can see in this page, and you can find some data sets from climate change. Climate data stores also use the API. But what I like in this page, the page is sometimes changing, and something is there. You also see some problems in this page, but that's not important. But what I like in this page, you can see and you can download and see sometimes the lines from analyze, but also very nice part is this Python part. If I don't very high level Python people, I can go there and I can put my blocks together, and there you can see this Python code and also run this code. And if you are understanding Python, you can editing and put some new class or libraries inside. Libraries maybe not possible inside, but you can define new class and put new algorithms inside. And that's also is demonstrated the results of these toolbox editors. And you can take the data and put together and show. And also this application gallery. I show only an example from climate data store, but also you can go in land data store or another data stores and also found some data what is put in the database, and also some applications inside. And yes, I like in this Copernicus data sets. I can put, and I can put some my coefficients if I need, and that will analyze the data from this, or put my data inside, and I can use. Another field where I'm working is culture heritage field. I 2 weeks ago come from Ukraine and come from culture heritage, some damaged territories. And there is one example, not to use Sentinel-2 or Sentinel-1, but in the ESA have third-party missions. If you have this some project, you can ask for another satellite data, world view data, or another. This is not doing by me. This in the public website. UNOSAT doing in around of the world. This service creates some reports of the damaged territories, damaged culture heritage. This is from Aleppo, part in 2049 and 40. You can see this. If I remember, worldview satellite user is, and this is Palmyra. If you remember, also is full damaged. This city, and also you can see how to analyze. This is a final report, but also is preliminary reports that is not going on the field and see, but they put some fast results. That fast results is come from Ukraine, also from Chernihiv. Almost I visiting this region. I speak in Ukraine language also, but okay. But this is not checked on the field. You can see a lot of the damaged territories, some 900 places, and after that is one later crater. This is later crater, and then also checked. And some place where I'm visiting, it's looking like this, and you can in the satellite data found. There also maybe it's possible to use Sentinel-1 also, because this place is a big place damaged, but the fast results is used by visually from this. This also not created by me, that's from Unitar created. But that is another view how to use this satellite data and in another field, not only to check the some. And I said ESA has these third-party missions, and also some people who use S3 software, they know it's possible to get this directly access, but you can ask for ESA this access, but if you have this project and project is accepted, it's possible to get this access, and you can use high precision, high resolution satellite data from third missions, party missions, not only Sentinel missions. And there is a future featured missions what is possible also to use, and in this last damaged territories I use WorldView 4 image and visualize, analyze this, but there are possible another missions to found. And yes, this planet scope also, you see the scientists go to Earth estimate, and also this planet scope data also is get access from ESA if you have project and you have use higher resolution data. That's also if we looking for some projects in the future, you can understand this Sentinel mission, but you also we see this reference data. We need some more accurate or more higher resolution, but maybe you can looking on another products in the ESA node and see. Riga Technical University also not working for application, but also working for the structures of the satellites analyze or another, and they are looking for another project types, not only application. And in 1918, yes, this sandwich structure analyzed for assessment of the damage resistance that's important for satellites in height or strange territory. Another project I will not talk more about this is food analysis in Riga city in Latvia, where we use this, some open source tools and data, but there also analyze this ice place in the river in spring. That's created algorithm by Andres. The author is also here, and that is a web platform in the Cesium to put on all data, three-dimensional data, lidar data, and drone data together. It's basic algorithms is analyzes food analyzed from river data, but also it's possible to some ice detection also from Sentinel-1. If you have about this some questions, you can ask Andres, but not to me. And yes, that is very shortly about from me, from Riga Technical University. In the ESA, another faculty is also something doing for electronical, for materials, or another, not only for land detection or Sentinel-1 or Sentinel-2 or 3 or 5 data analyze, because we are technical university. We must be looking in every space what is possible. Yes, that is all from me.
Thank you. If there are any questions, you can ask while I'm switching presentations.